Hey, it is the Atlas of Arts channel, and in this video I will show you how to draw ice cream. First I show you all theory on graphic tablet and then I will repeat it on paper. I define the central line, the top and bottom lines. I divided center line into two parts. Find where is the center. I divide lower part into two parts too and find the size of the wooden stick. Now I will show you the shape of the ice cream. I put the dots on the top part. After that, the size stays bigger. I mark similar points and the dots at the bottom of ice cream. Checking the distance from center line and connected the dots. With orange color, I show oval shapes. There are no corners on shape of ice cream. And wooden stick, it is rectangle and a semicircle at the end. The central line next symmetrical lines and semicircle at the end. Once again, I show the shape of the ice cream. Berries are small circles, and the shape lines for freezing. I show my example. And I already started drawing on paper. I have a pencil, eraser, a cup of water, watercolor set, plastic palette, and synthetic brush with a thin end. I draw the top and bottom lines. And then I draw the central line. I put a point on the center and compare the distance. It should be similar. After I divide lower part into two parts too. This is the line of the end of the ice cream and the beginning of the wooden stick. I remember the shape of ice cream. I draw symmetrical dots from upper part. 1 centimeter below, I draw a line and put the next 2 points further than the first, connecting. Without angles. I draw straight lines. Put down my pencil and put dots on the bottom line. After it, right and left, I put dots a little further. I compare right and left parts and connected the dots. Round the shape, no corners, and removing unnecessary pencil. Now I draw a wooden stick. I draw a semicircle from below. Show the ice cream freezing lines. And add the berries. Removing unnecessary pencil and ready to start with watercolor. I choose carmine color, add a lot of water so that the color becomes light. First, I draw contour and deep parts of the shape for freezing. After I add more water and draw second layer in almost transparent color in place where the paper is white. For a second layer, I use the past carmine color but with using less water. I draw the contour and the deep part of shape for freezing. You can see that first layer still wet and watercolors goes away inside the shape of ice cream. I draw outline again and central part. Work more with shape and contouring. I add again same color, this time without water, and show contrasting lines and shadows. First in a shape of freezing, and after in corners of outline line. I mix carmine color and a drop of violet for drawing berries. Put a few points to give some texture. If the paper is wet, you can put some few drops of water. It will be an interesting effect. When it's dry. Not a lot, partly. If you're drawing a dry, it's no effects with drops of water. Now it's time for wooden stick. I use ochre for the first layer, and immediately I take another any darker brown color and draw a shadow. With mix of violet and carmine, I draw contrasting places near the berries. And put some few small dots. I use more violet and repeat contrast parts near berries. Some dark line on a contour. And the ice cream is ready. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoy.